Oh, I'm Tammy Griffey, and we're in Alliance, Nebraska at KCOW Radio, and I am the director of First Impressions. At first, Carhenge, I guess, was kind of a joke. It's like, oh yeah, they put these cars in the ground out there and, whatever, but now it's something that everybody kind of comes to. I mean, it's a huge attraction for our town. But I personally don't have any major stories about Carhenge. Um, People come to town to just get their pictures taken there.
AM 1400, FM 92.5. KCOW.
Smile.
Smile.
Smile.